Hello and welcome to today's color tour as we take a look at several different projects that we have worked on here at Direct Siding and talk about all of the different colors because we just install James Hardie Color Plus products. Pre-finished for 15 years, ensuring you've got no maintenance to worry about. So let's take a look. My name is Aaron, I'm with Direct Siding, and here's my little portfolio shot that kind of kicked off the channel in 2022, and I started to really want to talk to homeowners about this incredible product and why we pretty much exclusively sell the James Hardie Color Plus line. And so I'm going to do it all from memory today, so don't sue me if I get one of these colors wrong. Nobody's perfect. So here we go. All right, well, this is the Light Mist. I remember this project up in North Idaho. It's just a stunning one with a Booth Bay blue board and batten. So a really nice light. I love the Light Mist color. It reminds me of a nice light cloudy day, and we complemented that one with a uplifting board and batten design to really create a nice architectural feel and break up the dimension of the house. We also replaced the roof on this one to a gaff timberline shingle, so we absolutely can replace roofs and do so often when we're doing a complete package with the fascia, and when it's time for the homeowner to replace the roof. It's just really nice to have one super organized team who can get it all done in about a week's period. So here's another stunningly beautiful project that you're going to see used a mix of different both colors and design features. So we've got on the very bottom, we've got evening blue board and batten, and on the very top there we have the straight edge shingle, and both the straight edge shingle and the lap siding in the middle are both in the Booth Bay blue color. And this all really complements well with the Arctic white, as the homeowners, many homeowners have white windows, so the white trim, is by far the most popular trim out there and is always a good choice. And here in the beautiful trees, actually right across the street from the last house, just a little bit higher view of the lake here, this is the evening blue, all evening blue. And we also did a beautiful pine soffit there in the very lofty soffit that gentleman had. It's going to be a beautiful one once it's finished. And a really nice material here in the woods where he's at, with maybe the increased fire danger, to have that fiber cement 100% non-combustible material protecting the house with his metal roof there. Really nice. And here's the next one. This is a stunning gray slate with a Booth Bay blue straight edge shingle up top. Again, really popular. I'd say the blues are the most popular colors that we deal with, and then the grays. So very popular choices here. Certainly for the last couple years, grays have been among the most popular choices nationwide, and even in 2026, the color of the year is, for James Hardie, iron gray. So we don't have a feature project of that color in this video. So we'll find another one and feature it in a short later on. So subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see that. But here's another project, beautiful one in all light mist. All light mist lap siding. And so lap siding can be a very good choice as the full option for the design. It's nice to break it up if you can with a shingle or board and batten, but certainly, as you see here, just stunningly elegant to just have a beautiful pre-painted siding, regardless if you use design features to break up the home or not. And even on the next one, you're going to see this is the evening blue again. Very popular, as I say. So this one's a builder grade home that had absolutely atrocious looking vinyl scroll through our shorts and find it. It just looked so bad before. The soffits, especially on the back of the house, were just falling off, and the vinyl just trapped a lot of dirt. So this really looks timeless and beautiful now, even though it's really in a standard neighborhood for that area. And here is the Navajo beige, a really nice choice that is not very popular, but gosh, it looked beautiful up here in the mountains in Kingston. And these folks also had a pretty significant amount of fire danger on their property. So here again, having a pre-painted fiber cement that they won't have to worry about painting again, most likely because they're in their 80s. It's really nice to have that low maintenance. And here we have the timber bark. This timber bark is a very nice earthy color, very good brown. I really do like it. The khaki brown is another choice as well, but I think the timber bark just has a much better feel to it. The khaki brown is just a little bit too much of a light color for me personally. And the Arctic White, we're going to see a couple houses here before we wrap up. The Arctic White is a stunningly popular choice. I think it's timeless and elegant. It's got just a little bit of complexity in it, so it's not like a flat white or a bright white. It's got like little just hints of blue in it. I love the color. It really is a nice one. And on the next home here, you're going to see just another variation with mostly lap siding, but we did accent that front right area with a nice board and batten. So very elegant, clean look, and it's just so nice to have that 15-year paint finish, and probably even longer with this light color. And gosh, wrapping up here, this is a special color from the Chip and Joanna Gaines collection. It's called Black Soot. And James Hardie has, I believe it's like 600 colors available that you can select from in what's called their Dream Colors selection. So if you really want to vary from the typical 16 colors that are on the shelf at most local suppliers, you certainly can. And this James Hardie actually partnered with Chip and Joanna Gaines with Magnolia Company to have their own palette for the last few years. I don't know if that's continuing, but it's a stunning color here, this Black Soot, and it really paired well with that rustic grain, that Woodtones Rustic Series in the old cherry. So we did those accents in a couple areas, including on the posts and in the shingles, and it sure really paired nicely with this Black Soot. Thanks for joining me today. If you found anything interesting, please comment below, or even comment which one was your favorite, which color or which house. And if you have any questions, please do also comment them below, and thank you so much.